Do it again. Do it again, Michael.
Oh.
He heard you. He was staring at the phone. I was waiting. I was like, he's gonna do it any second now.
That's my homie.
Yeah.
We talking to each other, see? Bars.
He gets excited. He howls like that. He How's work been going, man?
Oh man, it been going. I can't complain, man. You hear me? Just making
Yeah.
it do what it do. You know, holiday time shit. Really, people trying to save. So you know how it goes. You ups and downs. What? I know you lied.
I know, Alice. I told him I gotta. He'll be wearing a full wolf coat, just all wolf fur with a wolf hat, wolf underwear, everything.
Yeah. And I'm sleeping on that new toilet he got. He got a new heating toilet.
That heated
What?
toilet.
I ain't gonna, yeah, I'm gonna sleep on the toilet. My booty might be on fire. Yeah, I'm gonna have a hot ass.
I talked to my daughter earlier. She lives north of us, and she said they're supposed to be like negative 45 all next week.
Damn.
Yeah. She said you got to come up because Biscuit's your best friend now. Howling and
Yeah,
stuff.
but we distance.
He said we're
best
long
friends. We distance.
We're long distance friends.
Yeah. See, when you get too close of a friend, you start asking for shit. I can't ask them for shit. You know what I'm saying? So we can't never get into it. I can't do shit for you. So we're gonna keep a good friendship. Bar. Yeah. You can't say shit, man. You ain't gonna do shit for me. No, don't worry, it's too far. Give me that toy.
She's like focused, man. She's a Biscuit. He's got like squirrel. She's like laser.
Lord.
She's like laser focused, man. Always an excuse.
Oh no, you crazy.
Got warm. Get a warm water bidet.
Oh boy. Yeah, I've been passed out on that sucker.
Yeah. Kelly Belly, what's up, girl?
What's up with it, family? You already. Oh shit.
Uh oh.
Delicious. Yeah. Woosa.
It's me, Kelly. It's Alaska.
Bar.
I just got my big giant glasses on, so.
Yeah, that's Randy.
AKA
Randy. Yeah, you need your car fixed at Randy. He got all the tools.
Love you too, Kelly.
Bars.
Oh, I bet it's because I had to shave my beard, so I bet that's why. Jackie says I shaved my beard. I look 20 years younger. I said, no, not with all this turkey hanging down here, so.
Oh, Lord. This ain't no acorn. Man, leave these nuts alone. No, I'm going to leave my butthole alone. Yeah,
Yeah, I had to once a year. I have to shave to go in and do like a fit test for respirators and different stuff like that. So
yeah, me too. I have to do it like every day. Don't worry, I gotta shave.
I told